Hi, I'm Christina Johnson, and this is my upskilling journey. I live in rural Oklahoma. I grew up out west in the California, Nevada area. I came to Oklahoma to attend Oklahoma State University, where I graduated with a degree in secondary education, biological sciences. After graduating from Oklahoma State University, I became an educator and I transitioned into educational technology. I started out as an educator where I was dedicated to helping improve the outcomes of individuals with disabilities, as well as those who were at risk of dropping out. I loved making an impact in students' lives, as well as making tasks easier for teachers. But I realized I wanted to make an even bigger impact. I became more and more interested in the technologies that help businesses gather data, creating dashboards, and automating processes. That's when I began to ask myself, what if I could help a company, but what if I could help with their product strategy and identifying those internal and market gaps that could be holding them back? And that's what led me here to the University of California, San Diego, and their partnership with Simplilearn. I had taken some previous classes through Simplilearn that really helped drive my ability to analyze data. So I knew this was the right program for me because now it was taking the combination of the University of California, San Diego, with Simplilearn practices and their curriculum model. Taking on another college degree, although it sounds great, and I would love to add on an additional credential, it doesn't really fit in with my busy schedule as a working professional. And it's a huge price tag to be taking on. So I choose the University of California, San Diego, because I wanted to stay ahead of the fast evolving field of product management. It looks different in so many different organizations as well as industries. It looks different between physical products and digital assets. What stood out most to me about this program is that it has a very comprehensive approach. It covers a wide range of skills that are relevant across industries, which was really important to me. It covers fintech, healthcare, hospitality, retail, education, automotive. There are so many industries that we got into. And one of the things that really stood out is just how hands-on the learning is. It's not just showing up to lectures and taking notes and then taking a test. It is very much hands-on, and you work in groups collaboratively every session. On top of that, you have to complete group projects as well as individual projects. My instructor, James Rowe, was incredibly invested in our success, which was very important to me as well. He ensured that we understood each phase, each component of it, providing clear guidance on the best practices while challenging us to produce our best work. And his real-world insights and focus on critical thinking in the breakout groups made this experience very memorable. I've built lifelong friendships and a strong professional network with fellow alumni, which is what keeps me connected and grounded within the industry of product management. We did projects that involved building prototypes, which might fall along the lines of user experience. We also had to take into consideration customer experience types of things. Since completing this program, I've taken on more market and competitive intelligence projects, and I've made strategic contributions to process improvements as well. So I would say that overall, this program has given me the skills and the confidence to make a real impact in my role. Outside of work, I'm passionate about connecting with others and making the most out of every experience. I believe that everyone has a unique story to share, and I'm really committed to giving back while also taking the time to appreciate life's journey. So in doing that, I love spending time with my life group. I love RVing with my husband, friends, and family. I also love exploring Oklahoma and state parks across the United States. Nature is my recharge, and I enjoy camping, in capturing those moments through photography as well as astrophotography while I'm out in nature. I would be remiss if I didn't say that giving back is the heart of who I am. I am actively involved in programs that are focused on workforce reskilling, supporting veterans and reservists. My husband and I also support several organizations and ministries, and we're also very passionate about engaging with different cultures through cultural exchange programs. I would say always keep learning and avoid pigeonholing yourself into one direction. Your career does not have to be a straight path.